Once your SKUs have been registered, you're ready to send inventory to the warehouse by creating your first inbound order. To get started, go to the Send Inventory section and select Create Inbound Order. Then fill in the required information. You can either arrange the shipment yourself using carrier delivery or truck delivery, or you can choose the OC Partner Carrier service. Using the OC Partner Carrier service gives you better shipment visibility and allows you to track your inbound delivery directly from the portal. If you choose the OC Partner Carrier service, you'll need to provide a sender address. You can select an address from your address book or enter a new one. Any new address can also be saved for future shipments. Next, add the SKUs to your inbound order. There are different ways to do this. Manually add is best for smaller shipments with only a few SKUs or cartons. For larger shipments with many cartons and SKUs, batch upload is the faster and more efficient option. When using manually add, you'll add and pack each carton individually. With batch upload SKUs, you can upload the packing information for all cartons in a single file, making it ideal for high-volume shipments. If you're using the OC Partner Carrier service, it's recommended that you complete all packing before creating the inbound order, as you'll need to provide accurate carton dimensions, weights, and packing details for every carton. VAS labeling is not available if any carton in the inbound order contains mixed SKUs. Once all packing information has been completed, choose your preferred shipping service. If you select Pickup Service, you'll be asked to choose a pickup date when submitting the inbound order. Please make sure the selected date is accurate, as it cannot be changed after submission. If you select drop-off service, you don't need to choose a date. Simply make sure your parcels are dropped off within 10 working days after submitting the inbound order. After your inbound order has been submitted, print both the carton labels and the shipping labels and attach them to your shipment before sending it to the warehouse. You can also view the shipment details and track its progress in the portal, making it easy to monitor your inbound delivery and manage the next steps.